What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dalton 5.0 and I'm back here with another video. As y'all can see on the title, what is going on in this video. If y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that like and subscribe button. If y'all not new to the channel, then y'all already know what to do. Anyway, we got a sponsor for Shine Armor today. So they sent me some products. I actually need to go wash my car right now, so that's what we're gonna go do, head out to do. So, alrighty, and we're back. What Shine Armor is a company with a bunch of detailing sprays and a bunch of car wash products for your car. They sent me some sprays, some ceramic sprays for my car, and they also sent me some ceramic leather wipes for my car. They have millions, well, I wouldn't say millions, but they have a whole bunch of listings of products for your car that I think are pretty good. I've been waiting to try this detailing spray that they gave me for a while, but it's been raining and cold and whatnot. If you live in Texas, then you know what I'm talking about. But right now, that's what we're going to do. We're going to go wash the car and shine it up. They did send me a code for all of you people that would like to buy some and get a discount, but I will drop that later in the video. And here we go. Now that I got the car all washed up, I'm finna start applying the products they sent me. Like I told you before, I got some ceramic spray right here from Shine Armor, and I also got some ceramic leather cleaners from Shine Armor. And then they also sent me 2 microfiber towels. So right now I'm finna tape the car so y'all can see, you know, the car as far as it's being clean, and then also after I apply the product on there. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the instructions said I'm supposed to apply a few sprays. Oh, I got it locked. My fault. So I was supposed to give it a few sprays on the car, of course. So I'm only gonna do this side, and then I'm gonna show you people's. So go around, apply it all the way to the car on all of the sides. As y'all can see, it leaves a little streak behind it. Get that all the way down. Alrighty. It's already feeling smoother. As I'm talking. Of course, I'm gonna give it one more swing around everything. Oh yeah, that's nice. I can already feel the difference, of course. Alrighty. Don't mind these scratches right here. Okay. Now, as far as differences that I could see, I probably should take the tape off and then you'll see it, but I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Really, what I want to show you is that it's ceramic coated now. So the spray also has a little ceramic in it, so it definitely helps when you don't have to clean your car every so often. So as you can see, if I drop some water on it over here, it doesn't really stick. I'm gonna drop some water over here. It just stays on there and whatnot. But over here, as you can see, nope. And then also, if I put this bottle on there, it'll actually, it won't stay on there at all. Actually, it's compared to this side, it'll stay right there. But if I like it, let me go ahead and wipe this off, because I did just wash this car, and I'm over here sitting around pouring water on it. And then, boom, it's all clean again, of course. And then this side that I put water on, of course it's gonna get clean again because I got a microfiber towel to get the water up. But like I say, this side compared to this side feels way smoother. And like I say, it's just ceramic coated on this side and this side not. So I'm gonna take this tape off just to see if it did give it a little bit of difference in the shine quality. Oh, probably doesn't help since I'm directly in the sun, so even so, probably can barely see it. But, yeah, like I say, because I'm in the sun, you probably can barely see it. But that is for as the ceramic spray. Here's my side-by-side comparison of the two. After I finish wiping it down and let it dry, Finna hit it with one of these microfiber towels that I got in the back so I can try it out, of course. And once I take this tape off, you'll see the difference. Well, don't mind the white spots on it because it's dirty. But anywho, this side is not done. This previous has been done before, but I just did this one as a fresh new side. As you can see, it fades a little bit right here. But like I said, I have already done it not too long ago. But on this fresh new side, I'm gonna show y'all with a drop of water. See, it don't really stick, it just goes flying everywhere. And then this is the old side, which it should do the same thing. Yeah, actually it does. Even though I done it probably about a week or two ago. But anywho, I think this is really neat and really pretty cool, especially if you have children or dogs or pets or whatever, you know, come in and then boom, clean just like that. You ain't gotta worry about them spilling anything, juice, water. It's all gone. And it's wiped, now it's all clean. Like I said, don't mind these white spots, that's like paint or something. I need to get some alcohol to get that off. But definitely go ahead and pick you up some of these, and definitely some of these. And also use my code Nightmare to get you a 25% discount off your next purchase. Like I say, these two products, I give them both a 10 out of 10. Definitely got my car sparkling. Like I say, now it's, you know, nothing sticks to it. It's easy, super easier to clean now. I ain't gotta worry about coming to the car wash, which that's why I'm at right now, trying to wash my car. Well, I already did. But as you can see, water is no issue, just beads right off. Just come back, hit it with a microfiber towel, get that off real quick, and boom, you're done and you're on your way. You ain't gotta sit there and put soap on it. Just spray it off with some water, dry it off, and you're on your way. Give y'all a little POV drive. But like I say, definitely go to Shine Armor and get y'all some leather wipes, or y'all get y'all some ceramic spray. Definitely is worth the money. It's not really too much expensive, and then for the product that you're getting, it's definitely worth it. Like I said, I'm finna go ahead, finish up cleaning it, and then I'll be right back. Now I'm back. Now that I got the whole car sprayed down the ceramic spray, it looks very shiny and clean. Looks even more shiny and clean, actually, now that I look at it from a distance. It is very slick and smooth. This little thing won't even fit on there no more. Like, if I put it anywhere, it's gonna fall down, even from the top. It'll move, it'll bounce. You know, if I put it at the top of here, it's still gonna move. Oh, well, probably not right there, but it moves everywhere. If I put it right here, it's gonna fall. It's not really a lot of flat surface where I could put this at. Probably right here, but then again, it's gonna move. I guess that's not totally. And now we're gonna go on a POV drive. This will be my first actual little POV drive since the new setup on the car. As y'all know, I'm gonna show these again. Go ahead, get you some. Use my code Nightmare, and me and you gonna be in business. Your car gonna be shining, my car gonna be shining, and y'all gonna be helping the channel. Enough of that. Anywho, the car seems to drive fast. It did get a little bit faster with the headers. I've been having some people talk to me about it, and then, you know, wanting to race, of course, and, you know, which is fine. Haven't really got to do any of that, like I said, because of the weather conditions. But that's gonna be over real soon. So hopefully we'll be able to, you know, do what we need to do and make some videos. I should have a video coming up with a stock 5.0 just to see the difference between, you know, headers, intake tune, and, you know, a regular stock 5.0. So hopefully I'll be able to get that video out to y'all very soon. That's definitely one of my goals or accomplished or list or whatnots. But yeah, and then I also want to give Shine Armor, you know, a big thank you for letting me, you know, sponsor their products and sending their products out for me to try. I definitely love them. I definitely think they work pretty good. I give them 10 out of 10. And like I say, I also, you know, thank you to see if it was a cop behind me or not. That's why I haven't did anything. It looked like there might be one. But then again, it could be a regular black SUV. But y'all know, you never know nowadays. Oh, Lord. So I just gotta be careful and watch out for them. Nah, just a regular truck. But the car sounds great though. Like I said, the car does sound great. It actually pops too and backfires, which is pretty cool. Even though I don't have a aftermarket exhaust on it, it's just straight pipe all the way from the headers to the exhaust now. But like I said, it does backfire, which is pretty cool. Probably won't be able to get to show y'all because all these cars right here, but then again, maybe it will. You know, sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. So we'll see. Step on it or anything, but damn, that's pretty cool. That motherfucker moves that, man. That motherfucker move. That's what I'm talking about. Like I say, from not being headers and getting headers, it's kind of a little, how should I put this? It's not like, it doesn't feel as torquey as it used to be, but it packs more power. If that makes any sense. All my Mustang owners, y'all know what I'm talking about. But other people, y'all probably like, what the hell is he talking about? But anywho, it's not as torquey as it used to be, especially in regular mode. Now, if you put it in track mode, it is. But then again, it's still like, you know, it's not what I was used to at the time. But like I say, once it gets, you know, past a couple RPMs, that mother is hooking. I mean, top end, it's gone. Hopefully once these cars get out the way, I can show you what I mean. And then again, I feel like anything past 60 or past like 45, 50, of course it's going fast because it's moving because it's a fast car. But once it hit that, oh, it's in a whole different power band then. It's really moving. All right, it's been about 3 or 4 days.